Welcome to the kitchen, everybody. I'm Chef Eric Crowley, and one of the things I love to do is teach people how to cook the same way I was taught. I'd like to tell you a little bit about myself. I'm a career changer. I used to work in an office in downtown Los Angeles, and I took a class very much like what I'm going to teach you, and I decided I wanted to become a chef. So I went off to the Culinary Institute of America in Hyde Park, New York, graduated with honors, and took off to Europe because I needed to get some more education and some more knowledge. And one of the things that I will share with you is that knowledge that I've gained, not only in Europe, working in the oldest five-star restaurant in Barcelona, Spain, and also up in Munich, Germany, and a five-star Hotel Kempinski at the Munich airport, but all the knowledge that I've gained over all these years of cooking and teaching professionally. And I have many people that have come through my school and have gone on to work in restaurants and start their own businesses and just taken the skills that I'm going to teach you and cook better for their family and friends at home. So what you're going to get out of this series is very much a building block learning environment, just the way that I was taught. So we're going to start off with the basics on how to hold a knife, what kind of knives to use for what purpose, how to julienne, how to dice, and then we're going to take those skills and we're going to apply them to the next lesson, where we're going to make some stocks, and then we're going to apply them to the lesson after that, where we're going to cook some vegetables, and we're going to have another lesson where we're going to cook potatoes, and then we're actually going to make meals where we're going to introduce some proteins, some fish and some chicken, and we're going to wind up making really quick and easy meals that you could even do after a busy day of work, because I'm going to show you how we could actually take some items and we can make them ahead of time, or we could even keep them in the refrigerator for 3 or 4 days, and that way you can wind up getting everything to come together very quickly. So I'm Chef Eric Crowley, and one of the things I'm passionate about is cooking. I love to take raw product and make it into something beautiful and nourishing, and I'm going to show you how to do that in this series. Thank you for following me, and I can't wait to start cooking with you.